Subscribe to our channel Basics Corner and please press on the bell icon to see our videos first.
Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we will be reviewing the dabur rheumatil oil. It is a quick relief from musculoskeletal and joint pain. So I bought this product for my dad actually because he was suffering from joint pain and muscular pain around his knee area because he does play football. Yeah, it does take a toll on his health. So it is a 50 ml bottle. It is about $3. So when you flip the box, it says that rheumatil oil contains time-tested Ayurvedic and natural ingredients which have been scientifically validated in modern laboratories and combined in a unique formulation. Indications: for symptomatic relief from musculoskeletal and joint pains associated with conditions such as stiffness, frozen shoulders, backaches, muscular sprain and spasm. It is for external use only. It is manufactured in India by the Dabur India Limited. So on the other side of the box we have Ayurvedic medicine at volume 50 ml, and then we have the ingredients. So when you open the box you have a small bottle and it is written the same thing on the bottle as well as on the box. Now my bottle is in a very bad state. That is because it's empty and there has been some oil spillage situation. Now the product on itself, it is an oil, okay? It is a dry oil, and when you massage it on your skin just takes it in. Now it has a very strong smell to it, and wherever you apply it, it gives just a hot sensation to that spot. So for example, you take it on your fingers and you apply it on your hand. Well, your hand will feel hot. Make sure after you use this you wash your hands. So my dad has been using this product for a month and a half now. He has been applying the product all over his knee area every night before going. Now his final thought is that the first few times you use the product you don't necessarily feel that the pain has completely disappeared, but as you use it every day, definitely the pain disappears after a time, because this product actually penetrates. It provides a soothing relief to the joints, and it also somehow maybe rejuvenate the joints. So this product does wonders. If you have arthritis, if you have any of the joint problems, muscular pain, please go ahead and buy this product. It is something that I was not expecting, and eventually it did work, and the bottle is already does what it claims to do. It provides the quick relief from any joint pain or So yes, this product is definitely a yes from my side and from my dad's side. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do not forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button. Till next, take care.